Okay, we're gonna be real here. There's stuff everywhere. We need to clean. So I'm gonna clean with you guys today. I'm just showing you the before. Like, what is this? What? This is real life. It's a disaster. It's the day after the 4th of July. My dog is shedding something fierce, and the kids have thrown out all the toys everywhere, and there's dishes, and there's a kid. So tired. So I'm just going to kind of give you guys a before and after, so that way you can see I've accomplished something, or maybe I have accomplished something. Makes me feel better. This is real life. That's clean. Okay, let's do it. Alright, so first thing I do is I just kind of tidy up, clean up all the blankets, pick up all the toys, remove the dishes, just take out everything that's making my house look like a hot mess. Reorganizing the diaper caddy just to make it a little bit more presentable. It gets in a mess pretty fast, and then I have another basket back there with like my adult coloring books and magazines. I just tidy all that up and get rid of anything that doesn't belong. Alright, and I just use the Up and Up knockoff brand of probably Pledge, I think, to kind of dust and polish my furniture. This just helps to get off all like the dog hair and dust off of my bookshelves, TV stand, everything like that. And I have a very fluffy dog, and they go outside, they bring in dirt and dust and hair, and it's a constant battle. So I just like to dust and get rid of everything. I then use the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day to actually like clean off that little side table there, because the kids eat on it, the husband spills on it, I might even spill on it, you know, I'm not perfect, but to like really clean it off. And then the most rewarding part for me is vacuuming. I love to vacuum because it makes my house feel so much cleaner and so much fresher, because I do have pets and see that hair gone. But it's just very rewarding, and I like seeing like the little vacuum lines. It just makes me feel good about myself. What's your guys' favorite chore to do? Mine, like I said, is vacuuming. It's my favorite. This is the Dyson V6 Animal Motorhead or whatever pink. I just like the color, and it said animal, so I was like, yeah, I need that. I have animals, but I love it. It's been the best investment of my life. Not even kidding. And then I just go around and spritz my homemade Febreze. I just use water and the scent enhancer beads for laundry. I feel like it lasts longer and makes the house smell better longer. Now I'm just tidying up the kitchen, putting away everything that needs to be put away. Yesterday was the 4th of July, so we had a big cul-de-sac party outside, so we have lots of things out on the counter that shouldn't be there. So I'm just gonna kind of tidy up and get rid of all that stuff so I can officially clean. Massive amounts of glow sticks. It looked like a little rave out in the cul-de-sac. It was a good time. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day spray again in peony, just to wipe down and clean the counters. Then I use a butter knife just to kind of get out any crumbs that might have fallen in the cracks of my, what is this called? A stove top? Yeah, so that's what I do. This is my process. And then I light some candles. My friend gave me these, and so they're pretty burnt up, so I'm just using a spaghetti stick. In case you don't have one of those long lighters, a spaghetti noodle works good to light candles that are very burnt down like that. So there's my tip for the day.
No. Mom, you're a little burger.
A burger.
Eric's a little burger, actually. Eric's a little burger. Eric's a little burger. Can I see your little baby?
Finger! Now onto the dishes. I use the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. This is in the scent mint, and I just kind of hand wash all the dishes that I normally hand wash and put the rest in the dishwasher. The little scrubber brush I'm using is from Grove. I do like it. I feel it's like kind of a funny shape, but it's very like aesthetically pleasing, so I keep using it. Like I like the little way the wood handle is, and it just looks pretty, so I use it. So now I'm just loading up the dishwasher, and so I can run the dishwasher and then start cleaning the sink and the counters around. Turn on my diffuser. I feel like having diffuser and candles, just good smells while you're cleaning, makes cleaning better. Am I alone on this? What do you guys feel? But so I just put in the Young Living, I think is the name of the oil brand, in the scent lemon. I just love all citrus. Now I'm just going to clean the sink with the dish soap. I'm using a different brush. This little scrubber brush is like my dedicated sink and tile scrubber brush, so it's not like the same brush that I use for my dishes. You know, I'm trying to be sanitary here. So my sink is really old, and I think it's porcelain and some of it's rubbed off, as you can see, like the under color is showing through. I don't know what to do about that. Give me suggestions, but I'm just using a little magic eraser on that, and that just kind of helps spruce it up and makes it look a little more clean. I think I'm also using that a magic eraser. This is the Dollar Tree version of the magic eraser, just to clean up the counter. I don't know why, I just felt like doing it. And I finally found a way I like cleaning all the stainless steel. So I do this to my stove and my fridge and my dishwasher, but I use the Norax, oh gosh, I think that's how you say it, Norax rag, and I just clean it down. And then this is like the actual window one, so I'm using like the window chamois. I don't know what you call these. My friend gave me these as well. She's an amazing person. She moved away. I miss her so much. But anyways, so every time I clean, I think of her. So I just use that, and I just feel like it gives a streak-free shine, and I absolutely love it. And then I hang up my little tea towel that's a little sassy. I love it. And then I'm just going to move all the pretty artwork off the front of the fridge so I can clean it. I'm a mom. I'm going to have pretty artwork, and I love it. And it's just part of my decor now. I embrace it. I love it. So cute. My kids, I love them. How annoying is it to be eco-friendly? Like, I love recycling, but like it's so annoying on the boxes. So I'm just taking out my recycling now. And then I don't know what else am I doing. I'm waiting for me to come back. Oh, I'm vacuuming now. So the Dyson works really well on tiles, hardwood floors as well, so I don't ever sweep anymore. So I'm just gonna go over my kitchen floor and get up all the crumbs, and yes, that's what I'm doing. It's a rainy day, and I just thought my power went out, but really it was just a little child that turned off the lights on me. You know, he's so cute. Now onto the main level powder room. This is the bathroom that pretty much our whole family uses because we live on the main level most of the time. It's where our family room, our kitchen, our dining room, all that stuff is. So this bathroom gets used a lot by neighbors, little kids of the neighborhood, you know, so I like to keep it clean. I use the Norax window rags on the glass, and it just works well and gives a nice clean streak-free shine. And then I use the Norax rag on the porcelain pedestal sink and just clean that off with that. And then on to clean the lovely toilet. I just used the Mrs. Meyer's toilet bowl cleaner. I think it's in the scent Lemon Verbena. I'm pretty sure. So I just take out like my little toilet wand and scrub that down. Make sure there's no little traces of anything. get it nice and clean. And then I just leave the wand inside the toilet bowl so it can drip off so I don't drip it everywhere. And then I'll clean the outside of the toilet with some disinfectant wipes. These are from 7th generation. And I just kind of clean down the whole outside of the toilet. I start at the top, work to the bottom, so I start at the dirtiest, I feel. Or wait, no, that's wrong. I start at the cleanest and work my way towards the dirtiest. There you go. That's how I clean my toilet. Voila, a clean powder room. So yeah, clean the bathroom. We're feeling good about ourselves. And the rest of the house is clean too. Let's take an overview and look at the after. It's so much better. So much better. Yay! I'm so happy. Clean house, it makes you feel good. It makes you feel like you're like winning at life, like you're accomplishing stuff, like you are in charge of the world. At least it does for me. I feel like I have in order. I'm just going around and showing you my prettiness that I've just cleaned up so you can see the after. Looks so much better. Yes indeed. Yes indeed it does. It's after 5 o'clock. It's my time for my well-deserved glass of wine. Yes, it feels good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy these types of videos, please let me know in the comments and I will continue filming them. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.